Isaac, show us how you crawl. Come here. Come get your ball. You can't stand up on that box. It just slides. Good job. You can't stand up on that. See, the box slides. Silly. Oh, boom. Oh, is that your doggy from your grandma? Yeah? Hi, Chief. Is that your doggy? Isaac, come get your ball. Look. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Look at you go. Yay!